everybody, Ethan Health, and I walked out to my good friend, Miss Barbie. Hi. What's up? Oh, she gave me a nice little greeting. What's up, you? Whoa. Can I pet you? Come here. Come here. Aw. What's up? Anything good? I'm gonna go in the back here. You gonna come with me? You gonna go in the back? No? Oh, that's a good girl, huh? You're a good girl? What's up? What's up? Hey. No, not coming over. Can I come to you? No? Yeah? No? Yeah. Not gonna let me pet you, but it's okay. You got a fawn somewhere hidden? Is there a fawn around? Hiding? Well, it looks like she's taking off. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe.